Yeah. The Christmas time is coming, filled with joy and clear skies. In my soul, the beauty of the children's eyes. Just for you, my friend, you don't know how to heal from the evil of powerful man, with their dirty eyes. Roundabout of kindness and whispered caresses. Christmas time is coming with peace and love. Christmas time is coming. Hold me close to you, don't leave me. We will walk together with the heart of a child.